So good morning students. Now I am going to do from R.S. Agarwal textbook. There are totally 45 questions in this. This is my first class of R.S. Agarwal textbook. So there are 45 questions in this, something around 45. So which are just similar to Serena Publishers and some other textbooks. So I will be not doing the problems which are of similar kind. Only new problems I will be doing. If you want still, you can comment on the comment section that if you want explanation of the various problems, I am ready to do those problems. But what is my intention is I am doing the different types of models. So here some questions are exactly similar to Serena Publishers, only the numbers are changed, and some problems are little bit different. So you need to understand those. Taking that all, considering that all the questions from different textbooks, I am picking up a few problems and I am going to explain for you in a simple way as I did while I was explaining the Serena Publishers problems. Now let us continue, students. This is question number 28. Question number 28, 29, 30 are totally different from what we were saying in the Serena Publishers or from Goel Brothers and Prakashans. This is mainly for 10th ICSE. Rupees 100 shares of a company are sold at a discount of 20%. So rupees 100 shares of a company are sold at a discount of 20%. So market value is nothing but, so face value is 100 and market value is discount they give. If the discount they give, that means market value is less than the face value. So market value is 80, right? So market value is 80. Why? Because since discount is equal to 20. Next one, if the return on the investment is 15%, return on the investment is 15%, rate percentage is equal to dividend by if the return on the investment means per shareholder. So you need to apply this formula. Rate percent is equal to dividend by market price into 100. So rate return is how much? If the return on the investment is 15, already they gave 15. Dividend, you need to calculate dividend by market price. Market value already they gave, no market value or market price same, into 100, right? So dividend is equal to 80 into 15 by 100. So 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 0, 0 answer to 4. Dividend is equal to 12. So dividend is 12. Now what is asking? Find the rate of dividend declared by the company. Rate percentage. Find the rate of dividend declared by the company. Rate percentage is equal to simple dividend by face value into 100. Just now we calculate dividend now. Face value. What is the face value? 100 into 100. Face value is 100. So that is nothing but 12%. It's very simple. So this is somewhat different. Next one. Question number 29. A company declared a dividend of 14%. Find the market value of 50 shares if the rate return on the investment was 10%. A company declared a dividend of 14%. So find the market value of 50 shares if the rate return was 10%. Company declared dividend. Question number 29 from R.S. Agarwal textbook. Question number 29. A company declared dividend of 14%. That means 14 by 100. So 0.14. So dividend is 0.14. Find the market value of 50 shares if the rate return on the investment was 10%. Rate return on the investment was 10%. Rate percentage is equal to dividend by market value into 100. Here, if the rate return on the investment given, so on the investment means obviously it will be market value. Rate return is what given? 10%. Dividend, what is dividend? 0.14 into market value into 100. So point is here, so it will become, so where the decimal will, where the point will move? Here, you are multiplying by 100. So market 10 is equal to 14 by market value. So bring this market value is equal to 14 by 10, that is nothing but 1.4. This is per share, market value is per share, this is also per share. If you want you can write in bracket per share, per share. Now find the market value of 50 shares is asking. So this is per share, already I told. So market value of 50 shares is equal to 50 into 1.4. So all we will do is 5 into 10 into 1.4. 5 10 is 50. Where the point will move? Here. So 14 into 5. 14 5 is 70. So market value is 70. Next one. Question number 29. 30. So are you able to understand? Simple. There is nothing confusion. So just apply that formula and the solution. So dividend is 14%. What is the meaning? 0.14. Just I applied this formula. On is investment. Don't forget, when they give investment, you need to apply market value. Don't write face value. Face value when you have read, when it is given by the company, then you should write in place of market value face value. Right? Next, another question. At what price should 6.25? Question number 30. At what price should 6.25 rupees 100 shares be quoted when the money worth is 5%? So this is straight at a time. This is straight question. At what price should a 6.25% rupees 100 shares be quoted when the money is worth 5%? At what price should means the question itself suggests it is market price. Next, 6.25 dividend, face value 100, and when the money is worth 5%. 5% means rate percentage. So let me write the condition. Question number 30. Face value, first face value is rupees 100%. Dividend is equal to 6.25%. Next, when the company worth is rate return, rate company worth when the money is worth 5%. So already they give 6.25 dividend, face value, rate percentage also they give, which is 5%. What is asking? At what price? Means market price is asking. So go for basics. Dividend is equal to 6.25% they give. Dividend per share. So dividend is equal to 6.25, 625 by 100 into face value. This is the basic. Don't forget the basic. Per share. So 6.25. So dividend is 6.25 per share. Now rate percentage. Rate percentage is nothing but dividend by market price into 100. Right? They are asking at what price should be quoted. That means market price quoted when the money worth is 5%. So already gave you 5%. That is 5 is equal to dividend. Dividend we can 6.25 by market price into 100. Where the decimal point will move? Point is here after 2 digits. So 625 by market price is equal to 5. So bring this 5 here. Therefore market price is equal to 625 by 5. So market price is 125. So calculation you do, market price is 125. Question number 31, I think same. But only thing is 50 share they give. So in place of face value you have to write 50. So these are the three different questions. Question number 28, 29, 30. And question number 28, already it is there in question number 28 from RS Agarwal textbook. Just I will read out for you. By purchasing rupees 50 gas shares of rupees 50 each, a man gets 4% profit. This is exactly similar to Selena Publishers question exercise 3B, I think second or third, exercise 3B third problem. Only the numbers are changed here. There 25 rupees cash shares are there, 40 and for like that. So you please try to do by yourself. So already I told I will be doing different models from RS Agarwal textbook. That's it. Question number 26, which is of different type. Question number 26. Question number 26. This is entirely different. A person invests rupees 4368 and buys certain 100 rupees shares at 91. So he sells out the shares worth rupees 2400 when they have risen to 95 and the remainder when they have fallen to 85. Find his gain or loss on the total transaction. So once again, a person invests rupees 4368 and buys certain 100 rupees shares at 91. So here he sells out the shares worth rupees 2400 and they give something conditions. A person investment is nothing but 4368 and buys a certain 100 rupees shares at 91. Face value is nothing but 100. Market value is 91. He sells out shares worth rupees 2400. Sells out of this 4368 of 100 rupees shares. He sells how much? 2000. He sells out shares worth rupees 2400. Understand the meaning of this sentence. He sells out shares worth rupees 2400. You don't know number of shares here, but you know the investment, how much he is selling. So here face value is, what is the face value here for this? He sells out shares worth rupees 2400. Face value remains same, that is 100 rupees. Therefore what you have to write is, he sells out shares worth rupees 2000 when they have risen to 95. Actually what was the market value here? 91. Now the market value is 95. So he is very clever. When the market value is 95, he is selling some shares. And the investment, how much he put? 2400. So he is selling some shares. When the market price is 95, he is selling some shares. Are you following? So obviously you will also do like that only. When the market price, earlier market price is 91, now the market price is 95. So if the market price has jumped, so immediately I will sell some shares. So for that shares, how much amount I am putting? He sells out shares worth rupees 2400. Now selling price. Selling price is what? Rupees 2400. Right? So market price. So market price is, when the market price is increased, he is selling. He sells out shares worth rupees 2400. So rupees 2400 he is putting in the shares. So how many shares? Now we have to calculate shares. Number of shares is equal to 2400 selling price is 2400 is given. So number of shares into face value of each share, right? 2400. So face value of, why we have to take face value? Because from starting they give 4600 and 4000 and buys a certain 100 rupees shares. So obviously that is applicable here also. So number of shares is equal to 2400 by face value is 24. So that means, what is the meaning of this? Market price is increased from 91 to 95. So he is selling 24 shares. For that 24 shares, he has to put 2400 rupees. Are you following what I am saying? It's very simple. Now, Here calculate the number of shares. Number of shares in the first case. Number of shares 4368 by 91. So which is nothing but 48, I think. So the calculation you do, it is 48. What is number of shares? Total investment by market price. Total investment is 4368 by 91. So that is nothing but 48 shares. Now he sells out the shares ₹1 when they have risen to 95, and the remainder now already 48 shares were there total. He sold 24 shares. Remaining shares is equal to 48 minus 24. That is nothing but 24. Right? I think there is one problem in Serena Publisher, same like this. So you can go for that also. Remaining shares is 24. So now calculate the, what is the asking? Find the gain or loss is asking. So again write down number of shares 24. So market price is 95. Number of shares here also 24 because total shares are 48. Number of shares 24. Market price is what they gave, and again when they have risen, and the remainder when they have fallen to 85. Remaining means 24 shares when they have fallen to market price is 85. So therefore total investment, number of shares into market price, 24 into 5. Therefore total investment, what is that? 24 into 95, this is 85. This is 952280. Please do multiplication by 0. Please do multiplication by yourself. Just I am writing directly. This is nothing but 2640. This one is 2640. 24 into 84. 24 into 85 is this one. 24 into 95 is so you just multiply by yourself, and when you add all this, the answer is 4320. 24 into 95. Why? Because 24 into market price is 95, and now here 24 into 85. Write the answers, and when you add, the answer is 4320. So 4320. Multiply this and multiply this answer, you will get the answer, and add it. This is 4320. Actually total investment is what? 4368. Total investment is 4368. But now total investment from these two is, or total selling price is what? Total selling price. You can write here selling price. Selling price. You can write here sell. Total investment or selling price makes, it doesn't make any changes. So 24 into 48, when you multiply these two, the answer is 4320. That means there is a loss. You can see 4368, now it is 4320. So total investment is this one. Selling price is equal to total SP is equal to 4320. You can write here selling price. You can write here selling price. So there is no problem. So total investment is 4368. Total selling price is 4320. That means there is a loss here because total investment is more and he is selling this one. So there is a loss. 4320. Loss is how much? 48 rupees loss is there. So that's it, students. So we'll be doing some more problems in the next class. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Please click on the blue color icon button and subscribe my channel. Share this with your friends so that they will also get knowledge from this and improve it. Thank you, students. Have a nice day. Bye.